Why do the Chinese almost beg you to consume watermelon seeds? If you boil watermelon seeds and drink the infusion for 7 days, you'll see what happens to your body. Watch until the end and get ready for an amazing surprise. If you've made it this far, leave a watermelon emoji in the comments, so I know you're following today's video. A doctor taught me this, and you'll be glad to know. Watermelon is one of the most refreshing and delicious fruits in the world. Unfortunately, people often discard its seeds due to a lack of knowledge. However, watermelon seeds are incredibly medicinal. They are rich in vitamin B, such as niacin and thiamine, and contain omega-3, proteins, and minerals like manganese, phosphorus, potassium, magnesium, copper, and iron. All of this can and should be utilized by everyone. Watermelon seed tea can dilate blood vessels, combat hypertension, boost libido, relieve arthritis, and eliminate kidney problems and urinary tract diseases. Making the tea is very simple. I'll teach you an amazing recipe to use watermelon seeds to improve your health. Fresh seed tea has an impressive effect on the body, helping to eliminate kidney stones and waste. Do you know anyone who suffers from this problem? Here's how to prepare the watermelon seed infusion to cleanse the kidneys. You'll need 2 tablespoons of fresh watermelon seeds and 1 liter of water. First, boil the water and crush the watermelon seeds. This helps release the oils from the seeds into the water. Next, add the crushed seeds to the boiling water and let them simmer for 5 minutes. Turn off the heat and wait about an hour before consuming. The infusion can be stored in a glass bottle in the refrigerator and should be consumed at room temperature. 1 cup per day is enough to gain all the benefits. It's important not to add sugar. Agreed? These seeds, often discarded as waste, can help us significantly. They protect the heart and keep blood pressure levels under control. The seeds are incredible for preventing heart diseases. But doctor, how should I take this watermelon seed tea? To consume the infusion, drink it for 7 consecutive days. It can be consumed during the day or at night. This infusion will provide all the benefits mentioned, such as controlling hypertension. Additionally, the seeds help remove excess water from the body, reducing the feeling of bloating. Another great advantage is that they regulate blood pressure, preventing diseases thanks to the arginine present in the seeds. They also help the body absorb calcium from food. Did you already know about these benefits of watermelon seeds? If this advice was helpful to you, it might also be helpful to your friends and family. So, share it. I'll stop here for now. A big kiss to everyone.